wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best bench vises. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Built for permanent mounting to tables and benches, the Tekton 54004 is made of cast iron with a tensile strength of 30,000 psi and equipped with slip-resistant jaw pads. Its powder-coated finish resists corrosion due to moisture or chemicals. It comes with a polished steel anvil for shaping and is available in 6 and 8-inch models too. However, some sharp edges on it might require filing down. At number 9, the Panavise 301 is suitable for electronics hobbyists and anyone working on intricate objects. It's articulated to provide lots of angle adjustments, though it's not designed for heavy-duty or high-heat applications. It swivels in 3 planes and works with a range of accessories, but the adjuster screw is not very robust. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Those who machine wood or metal should look at the Hardware Factory 15979. This one's designed to keep squared-off materials in place during hand milling and works perfectly with automated CNC setups. It's built from tough ductile iron and includes the required installation bolts. However, it's not ideal for general clamping tasks. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bench vises, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the WEN 413CV is a 3-inch compound cross-style model made from corrosion-resistant powder-coated iron. It's good for specialized tasks like machining or fixed drill operations and comes in at a price that's hard to beat. It travels about 6 inches each way and is compatible with most drill presses, but the incremental scale is inaccurate. Moving up our list to number 6. Contractors will appreciate the Irwin 22630 3ZR for its portability and lightweight of just 4 pounds. It's perfect for taking on-site. Its 3-inch jaws offer a spread of 2 inches. This one's good for working on guns too, and fits on tables up to 2 inches thick. However, it's not great for bending metal. Halfway up our list at number 5. At a hefty 42 pounds, the Grizzly G7062 is a heavy-duty option with a jaw that rotates a full 360 degrees, enabling it to properly position just about any workpiece. The built-in pipe clamp can accommodate both square and round stock. It's equipped with an easy-to-read angle scale and an adjustable swiveling base. It's an inexpensive and versatile choice. At number 4, the Yost 740 Di is a powerful model with a rotating head that offers good versatility. It provides a maximum opening of 5 inches, and the serrated hardened steel jaws can accommodate pipes up to 3.5 inches in diameter. It comes with an easy pull-pin rotation mechanism and self-aligns to grip securely. It can create 9,000 psi of force. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Wilton 746 comes with a 4-inch throat depth and pipe jaws that can accommodate many different sizes of round stock. Thanks to its heavy base, it provides a very stable platform, and it's available with a range of replaceable jaw caps. The thick handle won't bend, and it features an enclosed spindle to keep grease in and a large anvil surface. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bench vises, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Yost 460 is durable and available in 5 sizes, ranging from 4.5 to 8 inches. It's moderately priced and can handle all but the biggest jobs. It boasts consistent and close tolerances, a base that swivels 360 degrees, and a resilient cast iron body and anvil. And taking the top spot on our list, the Wilton 11104 should last a lifetime without corroding or failing. It comes with standard cross-cut faces, and a number of different specialty caps are available to suit specific projects. It features a double lockdown swiveling base and machined Acme threads. It's an affordable and reliable option. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bench vises, or simply click beneath this video.